What's going on YouTube? This your boy Corey T, and I'm back with another video. Yeah, I've been missing in action as usual, but man, as you see, the location has changed. Just recently moved, so I had to kind of get my stuff situated. You can't see my setup, but I had to get myself situated. But with that being said, man, I'm back, and I can't come back without doing a giveaway. So this is what we're gonna do, man. I got a special surprise for you guys, and just hear me out. So we got giveaways for two different groups. I got my YouTube group and I got my Discord group. So the YouTube group, listen up, please. Listen up. We on YouTube. Listen up. It's the giveaway. Check me out. I just released a project, Discipline Love. Please go check it out. Go vibe, go like, go share, go comment, go do whatever you got to do. All right, so check it out. This is the giveaway. Boom. Go listen to 1 out of 6 tracks, right? Tell me what is your favorite track from the tape. Quote a line from the tape. Listen again. Favorite song. So write the song title in the comment section. Write a line from the song, and you'll be automatically entered into the giveaway. If you have not seen my other giveaways, go check it out. I'm not just coming with no $1, $2, $3. I'm actually trying to, what I'm saying? And I might actually do, more than just one winner. I usually do 2, might bump it up to 3. You never know, might bump it up to 4, depending on how I'm feeling. And depending on how much y'all rocking out with me. The more comments, probably the more people that I, or put into the spin of the wheel, or put the more money I will put into the spin of the wheel. So with that being said, that'll be the YouTube giveaway. So once again, title of the song and the line from the song, and we will go from there. Now for Discord, by the time y'all see this video, this is for my people in Discord, I am going to check it out. I'm going to basically give away $10 to 3 people in the Discord. I might make it 4, just depending on how I'm feeling, like I said. But right now, I'm giving 3 people off rip, and I basically telling them to pick a color. If you're in the Discord, by the time you see this video, you better rush back to Discord and get to it, because right now I said pick a color. I said mine's red. You got people listing their color, right? So check it out. What they don't know is the first 3 people that put the same color as me automatically wins. Right now they done put pink, gray, white, orange, blue. So once this video is uploaded, they will be probably rushing back to be one of the first 3 to write the same color. So that's just a giveaway I want to do within Discord, and it's basically them getting their money back, because I charge $10 to join the Discord, just to make sure you are serious about helping each other, and you serious about being in the group. That's it. I ain't really too much money in home group. We got money. It ain't nothing. It ain't no problem. But that's neither here or there. But still, because be some people on the internet like $10. I ain't paying $10. You ain't got to pay $10. Just come meet me on YouTube, man. I'm here for you. But with that being said, man, I appreciate the support, the love from Discord and YouTube. So y'all just keep rocking out with your boy. Now let's get into it. Right now I'm at 2773. We looking good. I can't even, complain about it. I'm down $792. It come with the territory. I got a new stock that I did invest in that I'm currently up. I've done made my money back. Nicola, if that's however you want to say it. I put in 152, got a gain back at 153. I could take out my 152 and, cut down half my shares, or I can keep my 134 shares, that is, and keep letting it grow over time. You know me, I'm all about patience. I was gone for a month, and y'all came back, so y'all about patience too. So, I appreciate that. So I'm at 305 with that one. Ideanomics, I'm up 1019. Ideanomics kind of been playing around. Ideanomics really need to turn around before November. Word on the street is November is the cutoff time. They need to hit at least $1. If not, they're gonna get they behind cut off the market, from what I've been reading. So let's just hope for the best when it comes to Ideanomics. I'm still kind of up 109. I can't be mad, but I got 8,000 shares. I need that to flip. If it flip, Lord have mercy. But anyways, that is that. Smile Direct, I'm up. I was in the negatives. You cannot buy Ideanomics, and you cannot buy Smile Direct currently. I wonder if once these stocks decide to flip back around, if you would be able to then buy again. I never seen a stock that was unavailable and then came back to be able to be bought on Cash App. That is, Cash App has their own little stipulations on what apps, or what stocks they allow to be bought. And it looked like when it comes down to penny stocks, they're not really playing around with penny stocks like they used to. And that's why they don't allow you to buy certain stocks that I have here. Grove was up at a point about a month ago when I should have been doing my videos. And I was almost out of the negatives, and then kind of started dropping back down, and kind of, you see it kind of going up and down from 198 to 193. So if it get back to $2, we'll be cooking with grease. If not, we're gonna have to be patient and wait it out. And you can see the other ones really not looking too good at the bottom, but it's all with time, man. I can't be mad. It's stock, so never put in what you're not willing to lose. The motto, and let's get it. So now for the people that's like, okay, Corey, what stocks to invest in? I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy that know a guy that know another guy. So with that being said, this is what I have written down for you guys. The first stock is that you need to follow and check out. Always do your research before you just buy something. Is Tilray. Hopefully I'm saying that right too. They have been on my radar. They have been going up, and it might want to look at it. For all the stocks that I'm naming, just look at the current share price and give it a week and see what the share price went to, and you'd be like, okay, Corey was kind of right. It went up. So 227 right now. If it go up, then that was a good call out. I forgot where I got that one from. It was another one, Blink Charging. When it comes to the electric vehicles, they are not going anywhere. I'm always say that they're not going nowhere. So get into one of these electric vehicles. If it ain't even Blink Charging, if it's another one, just y'all better find you one and stick with it, because once they hit that sky, it's gone. So that's one to kind of watch out for, kind of follow, and you can just add these to your list of following, and that way you can always keep up with that particular stock. Another one is the Clean Energy Fuel. Can't go on with an energy stock, depends on the demand. So that's one to add. I kind of did a little research. It was more so, hey, I want to get into a different area versus just the EV stuff, electric vehicle stuff. I want to get into like the energy stuff, and this is one that I found very interesting. I should say, not entertaining, but interesting. And just like I said, just follow it. It's at 484, and you can kind of see it drops, it goes up. It's one of those stocks that is just like get in while you can type thing, I would say. Another one is Rumble. I talked about Rumble a while back. I think Rumble was at like $7, and now it's at $8. It's at $8.55. Once Rumble hit like $9, $10, Rumble gone. Rumble is a social media platform that's getting really popular, so don't sleep on it. That's all I'm gonna say. Don't sleep on it. There's a bed right there. Don't sleep on it. Check that out. And the last one I got for you. I got Marathon Digital as well. Marathon Digital was mentioned in the group. It's been going up since they mentioned it. I probably should have bought in when they did. That was about 2-3 weeks ago. So kind of wanted to buy in, but me, I like the cheaper stocks. This is I would say more expensive. It's $16 a share, which is not bad, but not expensive. But you know what I'm saying? It's not no $2-3 where you can get multiple shares. I would have to spend a good little amount just to get like 10 shares. And, I can spend the same amount with a cheaper stock and get more shares. Once that flip around for the share price to go up, y'all see what I'm getting at. But this has more stability, in the sense of, the price, and it's not a penny stock. It's able to be bought. You don't have to worry about it dropping down to 10 cents anytime soon. It's here to stay in a sense. And another one, last but not least, I think it was supposed to be ChargePoint. Did I pass it? ChargePoint, also electric mobility. Like I say, I'm big on electric mobility. Pick one that's gonna be around. Pick one that's gonna be here. Sono Group, I thought talking about Baby Blue. Some Sono Group I thought was gonna be one of the heavy hitters when it first started out, but they still catching on. Ideonomics still trying to catch on, but overall, it's a stock market. You gotta just go with the flow. But with that being said, I think that's it. I done talked y'all head off this long. YouTube giveaway. Go listen to the tracks. Comment your favorite title. Put the favorite title. Comment your favorite line from that particular song, and you'll be entering the drawing. And then for the Discord, y'all know what to do. Go put your favorite color, or go put a color, and once the video drop, run back to the app and put the correct color, which is red. And they going crazy. Yeah. So they got their colors in. They locking them in, but little do they know they need to be putting red. So yeah, I play too much, but it is what it is, man. This is your boy Quarter T, man. I appreciate y'all for supporting me, locking in with your boy, and once again, thank you for sliding through. Yes, sir.